guys, welcome to our first reveal for our November products, and I'm super excited to share this month's theme. We did a poll earlier and the most voted theme was Highland cows. So we're super excited to bring you some Highland cows. The release date is November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So today I'm sharing what's in your junior box of the month. It's also part of your box of the month. I'll show the whole box tomorrow, 1 p.m. Central Time. So meet me back tomorrow for another reveal. I'm also sharing two exciting products that will be officially releasing on November 1st. So we have Teresa's One and Done Sentiments die. I love this die to create a stash of sentiments that you can keep and have ready to go. I have mine in a bowl and I just have some in pink and some in white, and I have some blank ones in here where I could just stamp a sentiment. The ones that have sentiments are being cut from the A2 card fronts. So starting November, the A2 card fronts will have sentiments on the back that you can use this die to cut them out. So you'll just line them up, add some washi tape, so this doesn't shift on you while you're running it through, and then you'll have a bunch of sentiments ready to go. So I absolutely love this. And then you can have some blank ones in different colors, and then you have strips ready to go and stamp. On November 1st, some of the designers on the team are collaborating to share Teresa's One and Done and the card front panel. So each day you'll see a new video come out, so you'll want to come back and check out each designer. Our other sentiment strips die is designed by LV Handcrafted, who is Linh on YouTube, and this is her ultimate sentiments die. So we have a strip that's one piece, and we have these lovely layers with stitching and decorative edges. We have the stamp set. This is the birthday one. We will be coming out with different sets. This one here, on this side, we have like your traditional birthday sentiments, and this one's like a more snarky, funny style. We have a big happy birthday that will fit inside the big banner. Also the layering pieces as well. This little slash here is if you want to cross out a word and write something else, kind of like do a little funny saying. So I've been using these dies on my cards lately. Let me show you how cute the strip is. So this is from Linh's die. So this was one of the blank strips that I cut out, and then I used the Brewing Up Holiday Cheer sentiment from the cute Gingerbread Coffee House stamp set. And here are some sentiment strips that I used. Teresa's die, I used her little flag banner, and I stamped out the gingerbread wishes. So you'll find lots of sentiments in your stash that will fit inside these banners. So I think they're just a great staple to have in your stash. So some of the sentiments we have, like celebrating you today. Here's to your next chapter. You are a gift to us all. May all your dreams come true. You deserve all the very best. Calories don't count today. Like cheese, you're better with age. Too old to care, too bold to quit. You survived another year, barely. This is the youngest you'll ever be. So that's just a sampling. So those are the fun sentiments. So I'm going to take out Teresa's die and cut out these sentiments for you because we'll be creating a card with this. I will show you the Rustic Farms card fronts. So you will be able to purchase this individually on the 1st, and this does come in your junior box of the month. In your large box of the month, you will get a sampling of 6 panels. So I love this with the Highland cow. He's just super, super adorable. You get 2 of each. They are single-sided. So super cute. And I recently just met my first Highland cow. I got to pet one, and just, it was so soft and so cute. Does anyone out there own a Highland cow? I think the miniature ones are just super adorable. So these images are super cute. There's even a farm dog in here and a farm kitty. Isn't that adorable? A farmhouse as well. So I love this pack. So we have this fun 6x6 clear stamp set full of funny little Highland cows. We've got little sentiments that go with each of them. Messy hair, don't moo care. Heard it's your birthday. Creatively chaotic. Let's graze and do nothing. Don't rush me, I'm on moo time. Move over world. No moving until I've had my latte. Cut, moo, repeat. Mood for one. Reading. Utterly dramatic. I came, I saw, I took a nap. So these are just super fun. I'll share the ephemera, it's really cute. This is the Cowgirl Charm paper pad that goes super pretty with these ephemeras. And I forgot to mention, I'll be throwing in your box, the junior box of the month and the box of the month, a cute little Highland cow transfer sticker. So it'll be a random one. And then this clear bookmark. So there's a little film on here that you'll have to peel off, which is probably going to be really difficult. So you're going to have to take your either your fingernails or maybe a pair of tweezers and kind of like peel away the film. And then you can put that on there, or you can use this on paper, make a card with it, or whatever you want to do. It's just a little goodie that I purchased to throw in the box as a little freebie. So we've got this paper pad is really cute. So it's kind of like a cutesy Western theme to go with your Highland cows. Love this color, so pretty. This one says Cowgirl, and it's got a little banner and boots. A little guitar. Cute pink color too. Some wood grain. A lucky horseshoe. Some stars. Some rustic polka dots. This one has tiny script. This one says Yeehaw with a cowboy hat. And then this lovely pattern with all the colors. Nice brown, a lighter teal, some beautiful stripes. This one has a lasso and some lace trim. Nice pattern. And this is the one that's kind of like faded script, just a nice grungy background. That one's the one with the banner. This is pretty. Love that. Nice gingham. And then the lasso on pink. And a nice hot pink. So really fun. I love the colors in this pad. And then your ephemera is just adorable. So I hope you make some really fun cards with this release. Let me put a few up close. They have little sentiments underneath them. Do what makes you happy. Look how cute that is. Anxiety loading. So you'll have fun just reading all the fun little sayings. Here's a little, here's one that says, a little witchy. I'm not perfect. I'm limited edition. Don't be part of the problem. Be the whole problem. This one. I'm just a little moody. And then there's some without the sayings, so you can add your own sentiment. So I'm going to lay these out. play a little music for you.
Got a crafty vision, but don't know where to start. Matching paper ephemera, it's a work of art. No more stress, no more doubt, I've got what you need. Perfect.
Okay, how cute is that? I'm going to add a little washi to keep this in place. And I'm just going to line that up. Okay, I'm going to run that through. We're also doing a hop on November 15th for Lynn's new die. So it will be a similar type of hop where a new video will be loaded each day. So that will be super fun. You'll get some more inspiration. And if you wanted to scan the strips before you cut them out so you can have extra, we definitely don't mind you doing that. So now I have a bunch of strips ready to go, just super cute. So these go really cute with the Highland cows. You're utterly amazing, from our porch to yours. So they go awesome with the A2 front card fronts. And that one's called Rustic Farm. Sending cozy autumn hugs, fall blessings to you, warm wishes from the country, grateful for you, simple life, sweet moments, a harvest of thanks, sending farm fresh hugs, thoughtful for your kindness, or thankful for your kindness, and you make life moveless. So I love that. We may come out with some stamp sets that coordinate with this as well. So I'm going to quickly put together a card from the card fronts. I want to use one with the Highland cow. That is really cute. Oh, I love that one. So cute. Look at that. Oh, that one's adorable too. It's like a perfect little spot right there. I like that one. I'm going to do this one. Now you can cut these down, or you can just put them straight onto your A2 card and call it a day. So depending on the mood you're in. I'm going to keep it simple today. You'll see lots of inspiration from our design team. On the first, they will be hopping and creating cards using the card fronts and the sentiment strips, so you'll get some ideas. They fit on the A2 card base perfectly. And I'm just going to paste this on flat down and keep this one super simple. And I'm just going to try to get that even and straight. There we go. So a beautiful card in seconds. Okay, so let's color up one of these cute images. Let's see. Oh, I think I'll do this because you guys know coffee is my favorite. I love just crafting with all things coffee. So let's do that. We'll pick out some sheets of paper to go with our guy in the pajamas. So we could color the pajamas pink with like teal polka dots. So I want to grab some prints that have the colors. This one will do great. The solid would be great with, oh, the stripes. I like the stripes too, but a solid would be great for adding some layers. And then Let's get like a pink. And I kind of like this too. So I'm just gonna grab that. We'll see what we use. We'll use the colors in here for inspiration. So shop early on the 1st to snag this box. It will go quickly. There are limited spots available. If you subscribe, you get 18% off and you'll reserve your box for next month. I am gonna stamp this down and then we're gonna cut it out with a shape. Okay, that looks great. Let's go ahead and cut that out. I'm gonna do some simple coloring, not too much shading. I'm gonna play some music and put together this card. I'll meet you back on the other side. We're not too shabby, shop today. Paper stamps in every way. Mix and match, make it pop. Crafty fun that never stops. I'm a want pro results, but short on time. Easy wonder dies, cut so fine. Need inspo, no big deal. Mood boards help bring all the feels. Oh, not too shabby, shop today. Paper stamps in every way. Mix and match, make it pop. Crafty fun that never stops. I'm a day. Grab your glue, grab your bling. Let's get crafting, do your thing. All right, so there's the finished card. It's super, super cute. So I hope you have fun playing with your Highland cows. Release day starts November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. I'll be doing a live release party at 10 a.m. as usual. So come meet me there for some fun and giveaways. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.